Hey, how's it going everyone? Mick from All About Tech. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I've got a very quick video for you guys in regarding cases for the iPad Pro. I've got a couple cases and another accessory to unbox and show you guys. This is from the company Moko. Huge shout out to Moko. They reached out and asked if I wanted to check out a couple of their cases, which is quite handy actually because we were in need of some cases. They sent over a 12.9 inch case and an 11-inch case, which I'm going to unbox for you guys now. And then as a bonus, I'm also going to unbox these camera lens protector as well that go on top of the camera lens at the back of the iPad. And yeah, so huge thanks to Moko for sending these out. This isn't a sponsored video, so this case is going to be an unboxing and a review of my own opinion, and I'll let you guys know at the end of this video if I think this is worth picking up. So without further ado, let's get these guys unboxed. So here is the 11-inch case. This is the smart case from Moko for the 11-inch model of the iPad Pro 2020. In terms of the packaging, it's very simple, but at the same time, it does feel like quite a premium piece of plastic that they've put on to protect the iPad during shipping. It also came in a box as well, but as you can see, there's a cool little thank you card in the box as well, with a QR code, so you can go look at other products and the product details of this case as well as your normal kind of foam and silicone bag to help keep out moisture. Without having the hefty price tag, it doesn't feel cheap. It's got a good feel to it. The plastic is of good quality, of what a TPU style case should be. In terms of the plastic, it feels just like my ESR case, which I've currently got on my 12.9 inch. As you can see, there's a lot of fingerprints on the iPad. Placing the iPad in the case, it does feel very good. It doesn't take away much of the design. And as you can see here, the smart wake, the automatic wake from the magnets from this case is working absolutely fine as well. And what's good about these sorts of cases as well is that you can put it into a tent mode position, so you've always kind of got like a stand on the move. And I really do like this rose gold finish. It is a really good finish. And here is the black case. This is the 12.9 inch model of the case. Again, you're getting the exact same unboxing experience with that plastic. It is a thick bit of plastic. It doesn't feel cheap, and it looks like it's protected that case through shipping, etc. And again, you got the smoked out back. This black leather finish, you could see the fingerprints a lot more. Again, on both of these cases as well, the inside of that leather, well, it's not leather, of like the rubber smart folio part, it is kind of like a microfiber, but it's not as good as say the Apple smart folio case, etc. And when placing both of these cases in the case, it's not too tight where it's really hard to get it into the case, but at the same time it's not so loose where it's going to move around. It's a nice snug fit. And as you can see here, the smoked out back, it's still slightly see-through, so you can still see the Apple logo in the right lighting, and the iPad logo. And there we are, we have the smart wake as well. And here we are. If we put it into the tent style of the case, you can see it's sturdy. It's going to hold it there. Stick the pen on, and there's a groove out for the pen as well for this case, so there's no issues there. It will fit no problem at all, even if you've got the cover closed. And overall, I think these cases are a very sleek design. They feel very good. They don't feel cheap. All you've got is the Moko logo there, and I do really like these cases and the feel of these cases. So here is the other accessory that I told you guys about. This is a camera lens protector for the iPad Pro. They are just for the iPad Pros because they've got the exact cutouts needed. And all it is a piece of aluminium that covers the glass portion of the lenses, and then it also protects the lens by making it so that there's a bit of an ingress before you actually catch the lens. And these are a really good accessory if you want to protect your camera lens. If you're just one of those people that wants to make sure that every part of your device is protected. These are very easy to install. I'm not gonna go over into massive detail. This isn't like putting on a full-blown screen protector. It's a little tiny area to cover. Just make sure that you wipe the lens clean, then use the dust remover, dry it all off, make sure there's no fingerprints, etc., and then just peel the adhesive off the back of the protector and then stick it on. And again, no issues with this product in terms of the install. And again, you don't really have to take that much into account when cleaning the glass, because it's not the glass that's showing. You just have to make sure the lenses themselves are clean, which again you can still clean after the fact because there's the holes for them. It's not like it's a piece of glass that goes over the top. It's a solid piece of metal, so you don't see what's underneath the metal. So yeah, just thought I'll quickly show you this because this is again a really inexpensive product. And it just gives you that extra bit of protection for the iPad. So what's my conclusion on the Moko smart case? Is it a win or chuck it in the bin? I think it's definitely a win. This color in particular, this rose gold one for the 11-inch, I'm really drawn to it. It's a really nice case. I like the kind of the smoked out clear backing on it. I'm not too sure how I'm feeling about the black one. The fingerprints do show up more. Do like the smoked out back on this one as well. Like, you'd just think that this is a space grey iPad, but it's not. This is a silver iPad, and it's still ever so slightly see-through. You can still see the iPad name there. You can still see the logo. The one thing design-wise that I'm maybe not so keen on is where it changes from the clear to then the hinge part being obviously of the same material as this. You can't get round that though with this style case. You can get ones which is just the same all the way around. The iPad just magnetically connects to the case. For me, that's not protective enough. This one, you're kind of getting the best of both worlds. You're getting the smart folio part as well as getting a fully protected iPad because it is covered on all sides. For the price that these are really inexpensive. These are like £15, $15-20. I'll leave a link on Amazon. My conclusion, is it a win or chuck it in the bin? I think it's definitely a win. But yeah, feel free to go check it out, guys. Really cool cases. They do loads of different colours. They even do like floral patterns and stuff. And again, thanks to Moko for checking out this, for sending me these cases. If you enjoy these sorts of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're a company and you have some cool accessories for the iPad, or if you have any other tech-related products that you want checked out, feel free to pop over an email to allaboutTech159@gmail.com. Apart from that, I've been Mick from All About Tech. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment down below your thoughts, and I'll catch you guys out in the next one. Peace.